In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 English words that you might be pronouncing incorrectly. If you've ever felt unsure about how to say some of these words, well, you're not alone. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Also, subscribe to the channel because you'll get a lot of interesting content here to help you improve your English. So our first word is this one that you're seeing. How would you pronounce it? Well, many people pronounce this word as recept, but the correct pronunciation is actually receipt. Receipt. For example, she kept the receipt to return the dress later. Our next one is a month. Do you know how to say this? There are two options to pronounce this word. You can say February, or you can say February. February. Let's use it in a sentence. February is the shortest month of the year. All right, next. Have you ever had to use this word? Bologna. 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 Not that hard. Example, he made a sandwich with bologna and mustard. Our next one is this one right here. A lot of people say nuclear, but the correct pronunciation is nuclear. Nuclear. For example, the country is debating the use of nuclear energy. Now, even advanced learners struggle with this one right here. Do you know how to say it? It's entrepreneur. 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 Now let's try to use it in a sentence. The young entrepreneur started a successful tech company. Can you say it? This one can also be tricky. It's pronounced bureaucracy. 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 For example, the project was delayed due to government bureaucracy. Our next word is subtle. This one is not hard. You just have to remember that you don't pronounce the B in the middle. So you say subtle. Subtle. Example, she gave a subtle hint about her surprise party. Moving on. How do you usually say this one? If you said maintenance, you got it. Maintenance. Maintenance. For example, regular maintenance keeps the car running smoothly. Next. This one is tricky because the CH is pronounced like a K. So you say schedule. 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 So for example, they updated the meeting schedule to accommodate everyone. And finally, our last word right there. This one trips people up because of the P, but the P is silent. So you say pneumonia. 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 For example, after catching pneumonia, he rested at home for 2 weeks. Now to wrap it up, let's review all of these words very quickly. Receipt. Receipt. February. February. Bologna. Bologna. Nuclear. Nuclear. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. Subtle. Subtle. Maintenance. Maintenance. Schedule. Schedule. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. Once again, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.